Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the iRobot Roomba Combo Essential Vacuum and Mop Robot. A powerful device that vacuums and mops in one seamless pass using a 4-stage cleaning system designed to tackle dust and dirt with precision. Equipped with a special edge cleaning brush, this robot ensures no dust is left behind, while its spot cleaning feature targets extra dirty areas by rotating in place for up to 2 minutes. Navigate like a pro with its intelligent navigation system that methodically cleans in straight lanes and uses sensors to avoid furniture and stair falls. Setup is a breeze, requiring just a few minutes after unpacking, and once connected to a 2.4 GHz network, you're ready to start cleaning. The integrated mop pad covers up to 46 square meters with 3 moisture levels, ensuring dirt and dust disappear effortlessly. With the iRobot Home app, you can simplify your life with features like Clean While I'm Away, suggested cleaning plans, and a clean map report to always know where your robot has been. Its slim, compact design allows it to reach tight spaces under beds and sofas, while the edge brush tackles corners and edges, and when the battery runs low, it intelligently returns to its charging station, ready for the next cleaning session. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.